Oh my god!
You see what I mean?
Yeah. What the hell? I think Alexis is gonna make it.
Shit. She probably just died. Watch out.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Wait,
Whoa.
we're both dead, Alexis.
Oh my god, you gotta be dumb.
Be careful. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. No, wait. Keep waiting. No, wait. Back up!
Don't move, don't
Back
move.
up!
Throw it, throw it, throw it!
Oh shit! I
That's
should've
why I
done
said wait. I was saying wait for it to blow
it. I
up.
can't hear you guys.